Hello, today we will guide you through how to automatically reply to a certain word in Slack. To get started, open Slack and navigate to the channel shown on your screen. This simply gives you a starting point inside the workspace where you want to set up the automated reply. Once you are in Slack, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel because that is where you will find the settings area needed for this setup. In the left sidebar, look for the admin option. Depending on your screen size or workspace layout, you may need to scan the menu carefully, but it should appear along the main navigation area. When you find it, click on Admin to open the available administrative options for the workspace. Next, move your mouse over Edit Workspace. Hovering here will reveal additional customization and management settings. This is the section that gives you access to workspace-level features, including automated responses that can react to specific words or phrases used in Slack conversations. From the menu that appears, click on Automated Messages. This takes you to the page where Slack allows you to create custom auto-replies based on keywords. These messages can be useful for answering common questions, reinforcing team processes, or quickly sharing standard information without needing someone to respond manually every time. Once you are on the Automated Messages page, click Add Message. This begins the creation of a new automated reply. You will now see fields where you can define what word or phrase should trigger the message, along with the message Slack should send automatically in response. In the keyword or phrase field, enter the sample keyword or phrase you want Slack to watch for. Be sure to choose a word or phrase that people in your workspace are likely to type exactly as intended, since that helps the automation work more reliably. Then, in the response field, enter the sample automated response message. This is the message Slack will post automatically when that keyword or phrase is detected. Keep your response clear and helpful so it provides immediate value to anyone who triggers it. After you have entered both the keyword and the response, review everything one more time to make sure it looks correct. When you are done, click Save. And that's it. Your automated message is now set up in Slack. From this point forward, when the chosen word or phrase is used, Slack can respond automatically with the message you created.